Stop scrolling. Accenture is hiring and you might already have the skills they need. If you're looking for a career with a major global company, especially in technology, artificial intelligence, data, consulting, software, business operations, or digital transformation, then you need to know about this particular company. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use this company, the website you're looking at, to find opportunities that could match your skills, your experience, and your career level. So whether you're a student, recent graduate, someone changing careers, an experienced professional, or you're simply looking for your next opportunity, stay with me because I'm going to walk you through the website and show you what to look for. And before we continue, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because I regularly bring you legitimate job opportunities, remote work opportunities, career programs, and companies hiring. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about the company. Accenture is a major global professional services company working across technology, consulting, operations, AI, data, cloud, and other areas. And here's what makes the careers website interesting. You don't have to look at Accenture as simply a company searching for software developers. Their careers platform shows opportunities across a wide range of career areas. We are talking about AI and data science, cloud consulting, creative and design, customer and user experience, strategy, supply chain, technology, and technology platforms, among others. So if you've been thinking, I don't have a computer science degree, so there's nothing for me, don't make that assumption. The important thing is to look at the individual job description. Accenture itself says there isn't one single degree or training requirement for every role. Requirements depend on the specific position, and some roles don't require a 4-year degree. That means you should search based on your skills and experience rather than simply searching for jobs that have the word degree attached to them. Now, let's look at how to access the careers page. You can access the official careers page through accenture.com/careers. Once you're there, you will see the options to search open roles. This is where I want you to slow down. Don't just type something like work from home and start applying randomly. Instead, think about what you can actually do. For example, are you interested in AI? Search for AI-related roles. Do you have experience with data? Look at data and analytics opportunities. Are you a software developer? Look at software engineering roles. Are you good at business analysis, project management, strategy, or consulting? There are career areas specifically covering those skills. And if you have experience in areas such as cloud, supply chain, customer experience, or digital transformation, don't ignore Accenture simply because you don't consider yourself a tech. Technology companies need much more than programmers. They need people who can analyze problems, communicate with clients, manage projects, understand businesses, create solutions, and work with teams. Now, if you're a student or recent graduate, pay close attention. Accenture has dedicated opportunities for students and graduates. Its graduate programs include areas such as strategy and consulting, AI and data, digital engineering and manufacturing, technology and operations. And the technology graduates opportunities include areas such as software engineering, technology analysts, and program and project analysts. So imagine you're graduating and you're thinking, I don't have years of professional experience. How am I supposed to compete? This is exactly why you should look specifically at graduate and entry-level programs. Don't compete for senior position when the company has created a pathway specifically for people starting their professional careers. And if you're still at university, there are also internship opportunities. Accenture's internship information says its programs can give students practical experience, training, and opportunities to work on real-world projects. So students, don't wait until graduation before you start researching companies. Start early. Now let's talk about experienced professionals. If you already have professional experience, Accenture has a separate pathway for experienced hires. For example, Accenture identifies opportunities for people with different levels of experience, including mid-level and senior-level professionals. So if you've already spent several years building your career, don't assume that graduate programs are only your option. Search for roles that match your current level. And here's another important point. Don't search only by job title. Your current job title might be different from the title Accenture uses. For example, you might currently work as a business analyst, but the role you qualify for could have a different title. That's why I recommend searching using skills and keywords, not just your current job title. Think about the tools you use. Think about the problems you solve. Think about your industry. Think about the responsibilities you already handle. Then use those keywords when searching. Now, let's talk about one area that I know many people watching this video will be interested in: artificial intelligence and data. Accenture specifically highlights AI and data science as one of its career areas. The company says these roles involve using AI and data to help reinvent different areas of business responsibly. And this is why I want you to start building skills in this area. You don't necessarily have to become a machine learning engineer overnight. There are different levels and types of AI-related work. Depending on the job, employers may look for analytical thinking, data skills, business understanding, technology knowledge, communication, or problem-solving ability. So, if you're currently learning AI tools, data analytics, automation, or related technologies, don't just learn them for fun. Build projects, build evidence of your skills, update your CV, and start searching for roles where those skills are relevant. Now, here's probably the most important part of this entire video. Do not apply for a job just because the title sounds good. Read the requirements, look at the location, look at the required experience. Look at the skills. Look at whether work authorization is required. Look at the application instructions. Accenture states that residency or existing work authorization requirements are mentioned in individual job description. So please don't assume that because you can see an Accenture job online, you automatically qualify to work in that country. The job description is what you need to check. This is particularly important if you're applying internationally. Now let me give you a simple strategy. Instead of applying to 50 random Accenture jobs, I would rather you find 5 to 10 positions that genuinely match your profile. Then tailor your CV. Let's say the job description repeatedly mentions project management, stakeholder communication, data analysis, problem solving, and technology implementation. If you have those skills, your CV should make those skills easy to find. Don't make the recruiter search through 3 pages to figure out what you can do. Make your relevant experience obvious. And please don't lie. If you don't have a skill, don't put it on your CV simply because the job description mentions it. Instead, identify the gaps and start learning. Here's another section people often overlook: apprenticeships. Accenture's careers platform includes apprenticeship opportunities for people who are ready to enter the world of work and gain practical experience. So, if you're thinking, I don't have enough professional experience, don't immediately give up. Look at entry-level opportunities, apprenticeships, internships, and graduate programs where applicable. The route into a major company doesn't always have to be the traditional route. Now let's talk about your application. Your CV is important, but don't stop there. Your LinkedIn profile should also support the story you're telling. If you're applying for technology roles, make sure your technology skills are clear. If you're applying for AI roles, show your AI-related projects. If you're applying for consulting, highlight problem solving, analysis, communication, and business experience. If you're applying for project management, show the projects you've actually managed and the results you achieved. And remember this: don't just list responsibilities, show outcomes. Instead of saying, I managed the project, say what the project was, what you did, and what changed because of your work. That makes your experience much more meaningful. And please avoid one major mistake. Do not pay someone claiming they can guarantee you an Accenture job. A legitimate job application should go through the appropriate official recruitment process. If someone contacts you saying, pay me £500 and I will guarantee you an Accenture position, be extremely careful. A job offer should never be something you purchase. I always verify opportunities through the company's official careers website. I'll leave the official Accenture careers page in the description so you can go directly to the source. If you also need a CV template, link will be in the description. So if you've been looking for your next career opportunity, here's what I want you to do today after watching this video. Number 1, go to official Accenture careers website. Number 2, search using your actual skills, not just one job title. Filter by preferred location and career level. Number 4, read the full job description before applying. Number 5, tailor your CV to the role. And number 6, don't stop after one application. The goal isn't to apply randomly. The goal is to find the right opportunity and present yourself as the right candidate. And there you have it. Accenture has opportunities across technology, AI and data, consulting, cloud, strategy, operations, software, engineering, and several other areas with pathways for students, graduates, apprentices, experienced professionals, and senior leaders. So if you're serious about building an international career, this is definitely a careers website worth having on your radar. And remember, don't let the name of a company intimidate you. Your job is not to decide that you're not qualified before you even read the job description. Your job is to find the opportunity, check the requirements honestly, prepare properly, and apply. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who is currently looking for a job. And comment below Accenture. If you want me to make another video showing you exactly how to search and apply for Accenture jobs step by step. And if you're looking for more legitimate companies hiring remote opportunities, AI jobs, and career programs, subscribe now because that's exactly what we cover here. I will see you in the next video. Good luck with your applications.